Congratulations to everyone who got selected in the second H lottery. However, is the winning of the second H lottery as good as the first one? The answer probably is no. USCIS just announced yesterday that it finished the second H lottery and it selected total 7,700 of the H registrant in the second round. Combined with the first round, USCIS has selected total 188,800 registrant to meet 85,000 H-1B quota. Can you imagine? The H-1B abuse, the fraud involved in H lottery is enormous. So we have to select more than double of the H registrant in order to meet 85,000 H lottery quota. Why do we say the second winning is not as good as the first one? When you win the first round, you probably are still having your valid OPT. So you could use gap cap rule to extend your OPT until October 1st to connect it with your H-1B. When you were in the first round, you're probably still with your employer. You're working with your employer because you have a valid working visa, a working permit. Your employer is very willing to submit H-1B for you. When you win the first round, probably still have a job, the economy was still good, and you are very optimistic on your future, on your career. Who knows, 4 months later, I have seen a lot of people already had their OPT expired. They're forced to leave the country. They cannot continue working for the employer, and the situation changed, they got laid off. So if any of this happened, the second round of the winning will trigger a very different result as the first round of winning. The employer probably change mind or probably find a better candidate to work in the same position. So the employer doesn't want to continue with the H-1B filing. And we have seen the second round winner, they already successfully got an alternative working visa in the US, such as TN, OL, or they are in CPT situation. So in this kind of situation, they probably don't need H-1B quota anymore. The second round of the winners, we can see some people are happy, some people are not so much. If the submission rate in the second round of lottery is low, then that means we will have unused quota left for the second round. Probably there will be a third round of lottery. So that's why we are talking about if you do want to win an H-1B lottery and be in the H-1B status, please keep a good relationship with your employer. Make sure whenever you have a quota, your employer is willing to go further with the H-1B filing. Hope today's tips are helpful. Thank you.